Thank you, parents. Thank you for supporting your students in this time period of learning from home and just having to support them in these changes in this season of this pandemic. And here at Push Excel, we want to make sure that we continuously support you. We understand that going forward and making the decision to go to college sometimes can be difficult. As a matter of fact, over the last 10 years, it has been a drastic change of an average of 10% of minority students going to 2 to 4 year institutions more than it was just 10 years ago. And so we want to make sure that you have all the information and the tools that you need to do this. So we have 2 workshops coming up that you want to make sure that you plug into. On December 10th, we have a rap chat. The rap chat is in partnership with the ladies of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated and Chicago Public Schools Office of Career and College Services. We are going to have a very candid conversation with college students so that your high school student can ask them anything that they may want to know about the college life and the experience. It's really key that they have the opportunity to share and ask those questions before they go into the next season of their life. As they're filling out their applications, they should have already done their FAFSA. If not, take this time period to sit down as a family to get that done. And then next up, we are having an HBCU tour with Metropolitan Family Services, as well as the Links Incorporated. And that is going to be on December 12th. So we want to make sure that you stay tuned and you stay plugged in so that you don't miss anything, because making the next step and the decision as a family to go to college is sometimes very challenging. And here at Push Excel, we always support you and we always bring you great information and great resources. So we partner with the best to do so. So go to www.pushexcel.org and sign up for our workshops. And we have a full lineup in 2021 with those workshops as well. We're excited and we want to make sure that you continue to push for excellence with us as well. Thank you.